What's up, y'all? It is the night before opening day here in Michigan, and we have not sighted in the gun yet. Picked this gun up this year, like a month ago. It's the Mossberg 500, and then shout out to Hawk Optics. They sent me their Endurance red dot sight. I forget what one it is exactly, but I'll link it down in the description. But pretty sleek little design here, and we got a turkey target at 34 yards, and tomorrow's opening day, so we got to get it all patterned. All right, we're at 34 yards. First shot with this red dot. No, it's like they all missed the point, but I think that's pretty good actually. A little low, but I think most of them were up in the middle, don't you think?
Yeah, I think that's good.
All right, y'all, we just rolled up. It is raining, so that's gonna be fun, but it is 5:45. We're gonna try to get out there here in a couple minutes, and I don't know, it's gonna be wet, I think, for pretty much all morning. So I'm excited. It's the 18th of April, opening day in Michigan, so can't believe it's already opening day and already turkey season. Every single year it's always been good, so hoping for a repeat pretty much. But we got like a 1,000-yard walk, so that's gonna be fun. But I think we're gonna get ready to get out and just book it out there. So yeah, see you out there. Thank you, Lord. Give you some. He was roosted in this big oak tree in the middle of this field. And just like that, tagged out in Michigan. Alright, y'all, we're going to check out the bird. We were sitting here waiting for maybe the other toms to come in, but they never end up coming in, so we're gonna go check it out. Oh, dude, he's got hooks, dude. That's like
whoa, they're sharp, dude.
It's gotta be decent hooks.
He's a fighter.
Dude, pretty good bird, really. Ah. Nothing wrong with that. He had a pretty good fan coming in. It's not a bad bird. Dude, the head is kind of big.
Wow.
Michigan bird. Down, baby. Opening day. Honestly, the hunt kind of went better, I would say. Other than maybe getting more footage, but can't really complain. I think sometimes we take it for granted, but we gotta thank the Lord for these opportunities to be able to come out here and hunt these amazing animals. So, beyond blessed. And we're gonna get some video, B-roll, try to make this video a little more cinematic because it's honestly not much footage to go with it.